Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can fix the Rockstar Launcher if it gets stuck on the loading screen. It's frustrating when the Rockstar logo just spins endlessly and the software freezes when you try to start your game. This usually happens because of broken background processes or corrupted local cache files that prevent the client from connecting to the server. And here's how to fix it. Go ahead and launch your task manager, or you can also click on the Windows icon, right click on the Windows icon, then select Task Manager and expand it. In the Task Manager, find and close any processes named Rockstar Game Launcher. Go ahead, select it, right-click on it, and select End Task option. Well, after that, you need to ensure that Windows isn't blocking the application startup permissions. So right-click on your Rockstar Games Launcher desktop shortcut, then select Properties. From the Properties window, go to Compatibility tab, then go to Settings section. Select Change Settings for all users, give administrator privileges, and then after check the box next to run this program as an administrator. Then click on Apply and then click on OK. If you're still stuck in the loading loop, your profile files are likely corrupted. So you need to open your File Explorer. In your Documents folder, find the folder called Rockstar Games. Open Rockstar Games folder. Then select Social Club and open it. If you have the profile folder, you need to right-click on it and select Delete. The launcher will automatically create a new uncorrupted version of this folder the next time you launch it. Finally, you can go ahead and flush the Windows DNS cache. Go to Windows Start menu and type CMD to open the command prompt. Run it as an administrator. Give administrative privileges. And here, simply type in ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter on your keyboard. Your Rockstar Games Launcher should now start without any problems. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.